Hello friends, Namaskar, good evening, and today we'll discuss something new. And this news classes, we are generally talking about the environment session, and in these sessions, we are generally studying those topics which have been asked in various civil services examination as well as in various state PCS examination. And in state PCS examinations, we are generally talking about only those questions which have been asked in the civil service examinations as well as uh, which have some relevance in the field of civil services, or you can say in the field of our daily life. Okay, so it's my humble request to all of you, please share these videos, please share these videos to your colleagues, friends and everyone, because this is necessary, and because your motivation provides us your motivation provides us huge motivation, because sorry, when you share these videos, so it provides us huge motivation. That's what I'm saying. Then please share these videos to your colleagues, friends and whatsoever. So I think we should start now. So now we'll move to our next question. So our first question is, okay, and it's my humble request to all of you, please be live. Okay, please be live and try to answer those questions which I'm asking, because these are necessary, so I think we should start. So our first question is, there is some okay our first question is, there is some concern regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry in the manufacture of various products. Why? It is our question number first. It is our question number first. Okay, again I'm saying, it is our question number first. There is some concern regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry in the manufacture of various products. Why? And our options are: A, they can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. Option B, they can enter food chains. And option C, means third, they are the production of free radicals. Select the correct answer using codes given below, and we have the codes: A 1 and 2, B 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, and D 1, 2, 3. And that question was asked in ISP 2014. That question was asked in ISP 2014. So it's my humble request to all of you that who is live, anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Then please try to attend these questions, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So I think we should start now, and we have started, and I'm still waiting for response. I'm still waiting for response, that which of the following is correct. So again, there is some concern regarding the nanoparticles. There is some concern regarding the nanoparticles, and these nanoparticles are there. They can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. B, they can enter food chains. And third, they can trigger the production of free radicals. They can trigger the production of free radicals. And now these are the options. Anyone who is live there, then please try to answer in a proper way. That which of the following is correct. So when we talk about the nanoparticles, so first thing is that what is nanoparticle? So you can say, so the particles which have size less than 10 to power minus 9 nanometer. The particles which have size less than 10 to the power minus 9 meter are known as nanoparticles. So whenever, because nanoparticles is an emerging technology. So whenever you will find some questions regarding the nanoparticles, so the maximum options will be in a positive things. And you have to choose in between them, or you can say you have to choose among them, that which of the following is correct. So what is the question? There is some concern regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements, means nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry. They can accumulate in the environment. Yeah, they can accumulate in the. So why? why there is a concern, why there is concern regarding the nanoparticles. So as I'm saying, the size of these particles are very minute, and we can't see them by naked eyes. We can't see them by naked eyes. So option first is there. They can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. It's true, because the particle, because these particle size, okay, because these particle size have huge importance, okay, because these particles has huge importance, and it's our duty, okay. These particles have huge importance, and this is our duty, that how we can, okay, that how we can eliminate them, okay. So how we can eliminate them, it's a good thing, okay, means how we can eliminate them. So they can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. So it's true that when these particles, because these particles have very nano things, and when these will be, okay, and when these will be used, okay, as I'm saying, when these will be used in any environment area or in any contaminated area, so it will be harmful. So option 1 is correct. Option second is there. They can enter food chains. Yes, true. Because when these particles will enter, when these particles will enter in the food chain, so that's true. When these particles will enter in the food chain, so that's true that it can harm the food chain. And now you can say, that's how you can say that it can harm food chain, because suppose I have a tree, suppose I have a tree, and or you can say some plants, and I'm providing, okay, I'm providing DDT or any chemical substances, any chemical substance which can be absorbed, any chemical substance which can be absorbed by that plant. So when this plant will use, or you can say when this plant will accumulate, or you can say it will absorb any type of chemical substance, so it will enter in the food chain. So it will enter in the food chain. So what happens there, that when any chemical substance, when any chemicals will enter in the food chain, so it can harm the whole life, because after all it will be consumed by some higher animals, and when these higher animals will eat those things, so it can also harm our environment or food chain. So that's true. Third is there. They can trigger the production of free radicals. Yeah, that's also true, because what is free radicals? Free radicals are highly, or you can say active particles. Free radicals are highly active particles, and when these particles will enter in any food chain or any environment, so that's true that it will harm the whole environment too. That's why it's a matter of concern. That's why it's a matter of concern. So now we can calculate that. Select the correct answer using the codes below and below, because all of these are correct. Because all of these are correct means option A, option B, option 3, all of these are correct. So we have option D. So we have option D. So anyone who has given the option D, so I think they should clap for them. So I think they should clap for them. Okay. So option D is correct. So now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, that is question number 2. That is question number 2, and that question was asked in ISP 2019. That question was asked in ISP 2019. So the question is, agricultural soil releases nitrogen oxides into environment. Again, agricultural soil releases nitrogen oxide into environment. Second, cattle releases ammonia into environment. Third, poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compounds into environment. Which of the statements given above are correct? Which of the statements given are correct? So now you have to choose. Again, consider the following statements. Statement first is there. Agricultural soil releases nitrogen oxide. Agricultural soil releases nitrogen oxide into environments. So that's true, because because when we talk about the agricultural soil releases nitrogen into oxides, that's true. Option B is there. Cattle releases ammonia into environment. That's also true, because cattle have a, no, that could not be true. Option third is there. Poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compound into environment. Poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compounds into environment. Which of the statements given is are correct? Which of the statements given is are correct? And we have options: A 1 and 3, B 2 and 3, C 2 only, and D 1 2 3, and D 1 2 3. Anyone who is live with there, then please try to write in the comment box that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So now I think we have to consider that which of the following is correct. So when we talk about the agricultural soil releases nitrogen oxide into environment. That's true. Cattle releases ammonia into environment. Yeah, that's also true. And poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compound into environment. So that's true. So we have option D is there because all of them are correct. Now we have question number third. What is the importance of crop rotation in the farming? What is the importance of crop rotation in the farming? A, it increases the production. B, soil fertility is conserved. C, soil erosion is reduced. And D, all of the above. And that question was asked in UPPCS RO ARO 2016. That question was asked in UPPCS RO ARO 2016. So anyone who is live there, then please try to write in the comment box that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, I'm still waiting for response. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, because these questions have huge importance. Okay, I think I should. Okay, now it's good. I should move. Okay, so because these questions have huge importance. These questions have huge importance, and now you will say, so why these questions have huge importance? Because agriculture, the level of agriculture is increasing day by day. The level of agriculture is increasing day by day, and it's our duty to understand the importance of those agricultural products, or you can say agriculture marketing techniques, and why these are important. Because our population is increasing day by day. Our population is increasing day by day, so it's our duty to provide. It's our duty to provide food to everyone, and for that purpose we have to focus on our agriculture sectors too. So that's true that we have to focus. So now the question is which of the following is correct. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. As I'm saying, I'm still waiting for response that which of the following is correct. So we have, so question is that is question number third. That is question number third. What is the importance of crop rotation in the farming? What is the importance of crop rotation in the farming? A, it increases the production. B, soil fertility is conserved. C, soil erosion is reduced. And D, all of the above. And D, all of the above. So now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So our question was, what is the importance of crop rotation? So when we talk about the crop rotation, so first thing, what is crop rotation? What is crop rotation? What is crop rotation? So when someone asks you what is crop rotation, so first thing is there that when we rotate crops in a proper interval, or you can at a proper interval, or you can say at a proper way. Because why these crop rotations are important? Because suppose I have a plant, suppose it's our soil layer, it's our agricultural soil layer, and as we know that these have nutrient. So these have nutrients. Okay, as I'm saying that its upper layer has nutrients, some lower layer has also nutrients. These have nutrients. As I'm saying that these have nutrients. Okay, so because these have nutrients, so if we generally if we start crop rotation, so what is crop rotation means? Suppose sometime we are using sometime we are using those roots whose are not in a depth of soil, which are not in a high depth of soil. And in the other season we have to use those soil which are on the upper layer, so what happens there, that due to this the all the nutrients which are available, due to this all the nutrients which are available in the soil layer will be used. all the nutrients which are available in the soil layer, all of them will be used, all of them will be used. So it's a good thing. So in crop rotation, generally what happens there, suppose we have wheat, suppose we have wheat, then we have potato, we have potato or any other vegetable, and after that we have paddy, and we have paddy. So this type of channel, so you can say this type of sequencing in the agricultural market, sorry, this type of sequencing in a agricultural field, it is the, so what is this, it is the crop rotation, means we rotate crops on the basis of its necessity. Okay, so what happens there, that it increases the production, yeah, it's true, because it increases the production. Then you will say, so how you can say that it increases the production, because suppose in the first time, in the first season, we are sowing those, we are sowing those vegetables, or you can say those crops which are on the, in the depth of, whose roots are in the depth of soil. So they will generally absorb all the nutrients from the depth of soil. On the other hand, in the next season, if we are using those those plants whose roots are not going depth of the soil, so they will generally use the nutrient of upper layer. So what happens there, that maximum time we will use all the nutrient of that, we will use all the nutrient of that soil, we will use all the nutrient of that soil. So that's true that it will increase our production, because we will utilize the maximum nutrient available in the soil. So that's true. Option B is there, soil fertility is conserved. It's also true, because there is a term monocropping, there is a term monocropping, there is a term monocropping. And now we'll say, sir, what is monocropping? So in monocropping we generally start same type of crops. Suppose rice, then rice, and then rice, means rice all time. So what happened there, that it will not conserve the fertility of soil, it will destroy the fertility of soil. Because how it will destroy, because suppose mainly the roots of rice are in the depth, or you can say in the depth, as comparison to wheat. So what happens there, that it will absorb the nutrient from the depth. So at some time, after some time, we will find that the fertility of that soil will be affected, that the fertility of soil, some soil will be affected. So now we can say that it's true. Third is there, soil erosion is reduced. Yeah, that's true, because when we start crop rotation, so we'll rotate our crops according to our needs. So that's true that it will erase the soil, it will reduce the soil erosion. So we have all of them are correct, so we have all of them are correct, option D is correct. So our correct option is option D. So our correct option is option D. And I think anyone who has given the option D, they should clap for them, they should clap for them. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, in the cities of our country, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? Is normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index. And that's question number, yeah, that's question number 4. That's question number 4. I think no, that's question number 5. It is question number 5. Okay, it is question number 5. Now you have to say, consider the cities. Okay, consider the sorry, in the cities of our country, in the cities of our country, which among the following, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases, which among the following atmospheric gases are are normally considered in the calculating the value of air quality index. So first thing is there, we have to understand that what is air quality index, what is air quality index. So air quality index. So now we have to talk about the air quality index. So generally when we talk about the air quality index, when we talk about air quality index, So what happened with the air quality index, that that uh, when we talk about the air quality index, so we take the sample, we generally took the sample of we generally took the sample of area, sample of air in any specific area, in any specific area, and we calculate the amount of harmful substances in those area, and we will find what are the level of harmful substances in that area. So on the basis of that criteria, we will decide that what is the air quality index in that area. So we have carbon dioxide, second carbon monoxide, third nitrogen dioxide, and fourth sulfur dioxide, and fifth methane. So again, in the cities of a country, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in the calculating in the air quality index? So uh, when we talk about these gases, that is the carbon dioxide, then carbon monoxide, then nitrogen dioxide, and then sulfur dioxide. So we generally talk about, when we talk about the air quality index, so we don't talk about the carbon dioxide and methane, we don't talk about the carbon dioxide and methane, and we have only three options, that is the carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. So we have option 234, 234, 234. So option B is correct. So option B is correct. So anyone who has given the option B, they should clap for them. Now we will move to the next question, and our next question is knock-knee syndrome. Knock-knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of. Knock-knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of. Knock-knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of, and we have A mercury, C lead, B lead, C arsenic, and D fluoride. And that question was asked in UPPCS 2016. And that question was asked in UPPCS 2016. Okay. Anyone live? I am still waiting for response, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Knock-knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of. Knock-knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of. And we have mercury, then lead, then arsenic, and then fluoride. And then fluoride. Tell me which of the following is correct. Tell me that which of the following is correct. Yeah, anyone who is left there, then please write in the comment box that which of the following is correct. So when we talk about the knock-knee syndrome, so it is related to the our knee. It is related to our knee, but it is not related to the osteomalacia or osteoporosis. It is not related to osteomalacia or osteoporosis, but it is knock-knee. So what is the which type of pollution causes the knock-knee? You have to say which of the following pollutant causes knock-knee disease. That is the mercury, then lead, then arsenic, and then fluoride, So I am still waiting for a response, but the correct option is option D. Option D, because pollution of fluoride, pollution of fluoride, pollution of fluoride causes, okay, pollution of fluoride causes knock-knee disease, causes knock-knee disease. What happened in the disease? So in that disease, generally there is a huge pain in these disease. There is huge pain in our knee area, and that is unbearable, as people say, that's unbearable, and that happens due to the pollution, that is due to the increased pollution. And in when we talk about the pollution, so that is due to the fluoride pollution, due to the fluoride pollution. So the option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following statement, that is question number 7, that which of the following statements about radioactive pollution, which of the following statements about radioactive pollution are correct? So now we have to talk about the radioactive pollution. Okay, we have to talk about radioactive pollution. So which of the following statements about radioactive pollution are correct? A, it causes a hereditary changes in the animal. Okay. Second, it causes disbalance among different minerals in the soil. Third, it hinders blood circulation. And fourth, it causes carcinogenesis. It causes carcinogenesis. Now you have to say, which of the following is correct in response to the radioactive element, radioactive pollution. So first thing is there, what is radioactive pollution? What is radioactive? What is radioactive pollution? So first thing is there, that what is radioactive pollution? So what is radioactive pollution? So generally when we talk about radioactive pollution, uh, which of the following statements about radioactive pollution are correct? A, it causes a hereditary change in the animal. Okay, it should be correct. Second, it causes disbalance among different minerals in the soil. That's not correct, because when we talk about the radioactive pollution, so radioactive pollution is the pollution in which the radiations, in which the radiations in which the radiations of alpha, beta, and gamma particles, in which the radiations of alpha, beta, and gamma particles are increases increases day by day, are increases day by day, which causes various disease, which causes various disease, various diseases, which causes various diseases. So that is the radioactive pollution. That is radioactive pollution. So what happens in the radioactive pollution? And radioactive pollution also causes thermal pollution. It also causes thermal pollution. It also causes thermal pollution. So we have which of the following? We have which of the following statements about radioactive pollution are correct? Mainly, what are radioactive elements? Radioactive elements are those elements which wants to be stable, and they have the ability to produce alpha, beta, or gamma rays. They have the ability to produce alpha, beta, or gamma rays to be stable, and that property is known as radioactivity. So how the radioactive pollution increases? So in the thermal power plant, where we use nuclear fuels like plutonium, uranium, thorium, these type of metals. So these type of metal produces a lots of heat. So that is thermal pollution, and it also causes some radiation. It also releases some radiations, and that causes many skin disease and some other disease too. So now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So it causes a hereditary change in the animal. That's true, because when there is a radioactive pollution, so it can cause the hereditary change in the animal. And the example is the people of Japan, because what happens there? There are that two bombs are there, that is the which are bombed by USA at Japan, that is at the Nagasaki and Hiroshima. What happens there? That due to radiation, there have been genetic changes. There have been some genetic changes in the animals, or you can say in the people, and till today, in their genes, there are some changes. So we can say that it causes the hereditary change in the animal. That's true. Second, it causes disbalance among the different minerals in the soil. No, that's not true, because it is radiation, so it has no any use in the so it has no any use in the minerals in the soil. So that's incorrect. Third, it hinders blood circulation, and it causes carcinogens. It causes carcinogen, because option 2 is correct. Option 2 is incorrect. So now we can eliminate option D and option A. Now we have option 1 and 4 and 1, 3, 4. Option 3 is there. It hinders blood circulation. And option 4, it causes carcinogenesis. It causes carcinogenesis. So next thing is there, that what is carcinogenesis? What is carcinogenesis? So carcinogenesis is the process which in which the cancerous substances, in which the cancerous substances increases. So that's true. Option 4 is correct. And it hinders blood. So it's also true. So option 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question, and that is which. That's question number 8. That's question number 8. Which of the following are the reasons factors for the exposure? Which of the following are the reasons factors for the exposure to benzene pollution? Are reasons for benzene pollution, and that is the automobile exhaust, B, tobacco smoke, C, wood burning, D, using varnished wooden furniture, and 5, using products made by polyurethane. Made by polyurethane. Select the correct answer. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Select the correct answer using the code given below. And that question was asked in ISP 2020. That question was asked in ISP 2020. Again, I am saying which of the following are the reason or factors for exposure to benzene pollution? Means we have to talk about the benzene pollution. That why benzene pollution increases. That's why benzene pollution increases. And we have option A, automobile exhaust, B, tobacco smoke, C, wood burning, D, using varnished wooden furnitures, and 5, using products made by polyurethane. Made by polyurethane. So this time every option is correct. This time every option is correct, means 1, 2, 3, 4 all are correct. So we have option because benzene is found in the tobacco, in the wood burning, okay, in the automobile exhaust it is found. So option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Consider the following. Consider the following. A, carbon dioxide, and it's question number 9. It's question number 9. Consider the following. A, carbon dioxide, B, oxides of nitrogen, third, oxides of sulfur. Which of the given above is are the emission or emissions from coal combustion at the thermal power plant? Coal combustion at the thermal power plant. Again, consider the following. Consider the following. A, carbon dioxide, B, oxides of nitrogen, third, oxides of sulfur, and which of the given above is are the emission or emissions from coal combustion at thermal power plant? A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 and 3, and D, 1, 2, 3. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Yeah, this question has huge importance, and because this question have been asked in many examinations. This question have been asked in many examinations. So that's why I'm saying that that it has many importance. That it has many importance. So anyone who is live there, then please write in the comment box that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Many yeah, this time many you can say many ads are there, and so these have consider the following, and we have to take so what is saying combustion at thermal power plant. Combustion at thermal power plant, it consists how why it's done. Which of the given above is are the emission or emissions from coal combustion at the thermal power plant? A, carbon dioxide, B, oxides of nitrogen, C, oxides of sulfur. Because in thermal power plant, coal is combustion. The coal combustion occur, and due to coal combustion, carbon dioxide is released. Yeah, that's true. Oxides of nitrogen is also released, and oxides of sulfur, means all of them. option D is correct. This time option D is correct because all of them are correct. All of them are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Okay, what is the okay, that which of the following is correct, which have list A and list B, which have we have sorry list A and B. List A have pollutants and list B have effects, and list B have effects, that is pollutants and effects, that is ABCD and 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Now we have to use that which of the following is correct. A, carbon monoxide, B, oxides of nitrogen, C, soil particles, and D, lead. And D is there, that's lead. And effects are damage to liver and kidney, second cancer, third element, sorry, not element, ALI, element related to breathing, and fourth central nervous system, and fourth is central nervous system. So uh, we have these things, that which of the following is correct. So first thing is there, that uh, carbon monoxide, that is carbon monoxide. Okay, so as we have discussed that the carbon monoxide is a very harmful gas. It's a very harmful gas, and when it's combined with, when that carbon monoxide when that carbon monoxide combined with hemoglobin, when that carbon monoxide combined with hemoglobin, it makes an intermediate compound. It makes an intermediate compound, and the name of that intermediate compound is carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin, and the name of that intermediate compound is carboxyhemoglobin. And the name of that intermediate compound is carboxyhemoglobin. So that is Co plus Hb. That is Co plus Hb. So we have carbon monoxide, and so that's related to, because how it will, so element related to breathing. So that's true, that it will harm our breathing problem, or you can say it can also affect the central nervous system. That's also true. After that, lead, what causes lead? That damage to liver and kidney. Lead causes damage to kidney. So now you have to say that which of the following is correct. Now you have to say which of the following is correct, because I'm still waiting for response, that which of the following is correct. Yeah, try to answer that which of the following is correct. Again I'm saying lead. So that's true, that lead affects the central nervous system. D4. So we have option that's true. We have option C. Why we have option C? Because carbon monoxide 1 3, A3, yeah, that's true. And D4, that's true. And B2. Okay, nitrogen oxide, yeah, that's true. And soil particles. So we have option C is there. And now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is cigarette smoke contents, and we have cigarette smoke contents, and that's question number 11. That is question number 11. Which of the following is correct? So cigarette smoke contains: A, carbon monoxide, B, carbon monoxide and nicotine, C, carbon monoxide and benzene, and D, uh, dioxide and benzene. Dioxide and benzene. And the correct option is option D, because in cigarette smoke benzene is there. So that is correct. So now we'll move to the next question. That which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. And that's question number 12. It's question number 12, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So that is the lead, uh, lead ingested or inhaled in a health hazard. Okay, lead ingested or inhaled in a health hazard. After the addition of lead to petrol has been banned, what still are the sources of lead poisoning? Okay, what still are the sources of lead poisoning? Again, I'm saying this question has also huge importance. This question has also huge importance in the field of science, or you can say in our daily life. So lead ingested or inhaled in a healthy hazard. Okay, when lead will be ingested or inhaled in our body, when lead will be ingested or inhaled in our body, so that's true that it will cause many problems. So that's true. That is the after the addition of lead to petrol, after the addition of lead to petrol has been banned, because lead to petrol has been banned. That's why you will always see at petrol pumps, that yeah, in Hindi that is the sisa rahit tel. In Hindi that is the sisa rahit tel, or without lead. So that is the ban. What still are the sources of lead poisoning? But what are the sources which are causing lead poisoning? So we have A, smelting units, B, pens and pencils, third, paints, and D, oils and cosmetics. So now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct? A, smelting units, B, pens and pencils, and third, paints, because pens is true because in paints there is a lead, and fourth, hair oils and cosmetics. So because option third is correct, so that is incorrect. Okay, that's incorrect because that don't have the option 3. So smelting units, then pen and pencil don't have lead, so that's not true. So 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4, okay, 1 4 3 1 4 3, yeah, uh, 1 and 3, so that's true, that 1 is 3 is correct. 1 and 3 is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Now we'll move to the next question, that which of the following is correct? A certain is there, during winter air pollution in Delhi reaches to the maximum level. During winter, because at winter time air pollution at during winter air pollution in Delhi reaches to the maximum level. Air pollution in Delhi reaches to maximum level. That's true. Reason, combustion process in motor vehicle increases during summer. Combustion process. Okay, again I'm saying combustion process in motor vehicle. Combustion process in motor vehicle increases during winter. So option 1 is assertion, that's correct, because during the winter air pollution is in Delhi reaches to maximum. That's true. That's true. But that's not true, because the combustion process in motor vehicle increases during winter. No, because these are increasing every time. These are increases every time. So that's not true. So we have only one is correct. So we have only one is correct. So that is the option C. That is option C, because we have only option 1 is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. And select the correct answers from the codes given below. In list A, we have pollutants, and list 2, we have effects. In list A, we have pollutants, and in list 2, we have effects. Now we have to say that which of the following is correct. Okay, I think we have done that question. So now we'll move to the next question. I think we have again that question, and these are repetition of questions. These are repetition of questions. So due to mistake, I think there is huge repetitions of questions. So we will finish today's class, and I hope you will like these videos. And if you like these videos, then please make a like, share, and subscribe to our channel, because this is mandatory. And many people are saying that these teachers means my team is not doing well. So don't bother them, because there are some teachers or people which have been thrown out from this question. So there's no need to think about them. So I think that's enough for today. Have a nice day.